Alright guys, welcome back to another episode Up and Running. Thanks for watching. Alright, on today's episode, we're going to keep working on the Jeep. Alright, so if you remember back the other day when I was talking about that clunk in the front end when we were lifting it, what I discovered is that these shackles are not right on the front of this truck. You can kind of see it here, how it's sitting, flat on it. Let's see if I can go to the other side and show it a little better. Here you can see what I'm talking about, where that shackle's not right. So either it's not the right leaf springs or the shackle's been relocated to incorrect spots. So that's something we're going to have to take a look at. I think that's where our, complete rough ride is coming from. Anyway, another thing to add to the list. Alright, I'm going to throw some new battery cables on this thing. It definitely needs it. These are in really bad shape. There's some extra stuff attached to this. We're good without it. To spread that out a little bit. It's a little snug. Here, I'll show you the trick to doing this. You just take 2 wrenches, put them in here like this, and squeeze, and it opens it right up. Yeah, I could go a little more. Back the nut off just a little bit more. Do this again. There you go. It drops right on now, so we're good there. I've got to get some kind of a battery tray and a hold down for this yet, but at least I wanted to get this done since I had the stuff. Figured might as well do it. Oop, nut flew off. Alright, that'll work even if we gotta slide it up. So that's that done. Now let's look at the negative. I think that's a little under the truck work, but I'm going to see how long the cable is first. America, right there. Alright, let's work on this ground cable now. This just drops right on, so that'll be real easy. I'm going to attach the other end down to the block right here. The originally went way down to like a motor mount, but this should be sufficient right here. So I'm just going to go right here and use this one. I'm going to clean that off. I don't like that. There's some paint on there, and since this is the main ground, I want to clean that real good. So I'm going to get a wire brush so we don't have any issues. So this is where I'm going, right down here. So you can see there's some paint on there, so I'm going to clean that up a little bit first. Oh no, that hole is stripped, I think. Shoot, it is. Alright, well, let's figure out another spot. It's always something. Let me see if I can get a longer bolt, because that'll do it. I think this is going to work. That'll work really well for that. Okay. I'm not going to connect them yet because we need to get a better battery tray with a hold down. So, all right, we got this box today. I think it's the battery tray for the Jeep. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up, and we're going to find out. Awesome. There it is. Looks really nice. That should work out perfectly. So now I guess we got to put it in. Okay, I'm going to try to replace this battery tray. We got a new one, so let's see if this one comes out. Nut on the bottom. The old nut on the bottom trick. All right, let's see if this works. Bingo. There you go. That's all that's left of the old tray. This is the new tray. Connections on it. Nothing works better than a factory part. Jake is going to take this in and get the transmission out of it. It's been sitting here a little while. These are about half full. Back down in here. Okay, that one didn't work well. Let's try it again. All right. Definitely use a little antifreeze. That'll do it. All right, it's right on the full, and the oil looks pretty good. Check power steering fluid. All right, it's right on the cold, full. All right, I just noticed this. This is a rare factory option to put the throttle return spring on the hose clamp for the radiator. You just don't see it done that way every day, but that's the way they did it at AMC. Of course, I'm kidding about that. That's kind of funny, actually. I just saw that, and I figured you guys would like to see that. Figured you guys might enjoy seeing this. It's the cowl tag for the Jeep. It's in really nice shape. The numbers are nice and clear. So, yeah, thought it'd be cool. Hey guys, let's take a look at some viewers' rides. Hey, if you want to see your ride on the channel, send me some good quality pictures of your classic to the email address below. Alright guys, on today's episode, we're going to pull the transmission out of it, have it rebuilt, and put it back in. So I don't know. Do whatever you want with that, I guess. Oh, I think that's metric. I'll be back again. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for another episode Up and Running. Thanks for watching. Be sure to come back next time. Hey, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Ring the bell right next to it for the notifications and click the like button. Thanks for watching.